Zoo naman po, well, obviously, 1.7 billion at the time of COVID, I think it is very clear that it is a wrong priority. I don't think you need to rehabilitate. You know, that's a budget for 3 provinces, 3 small provinces, para tirahan ng hayop po. Tingin ko po, there is so much need, there is so much housing to be built, walang pagkain sa hapagkainan, walang trabaho. Kailangan po natin ang gamot, simple medicines po ng ubo, lagnat, vitamins, yung mga... So, yung zoo po, hindi na papanahon ngayon. At 1.7 billion is a huge amount of money. Sinasabi ko nga, siguro you can visit the zoo and see whether that's a 1.7 billion project. So, I mean, tao na hong humisga, kayo na pumunta sa zoo, napakalaki po nun. Kung budget ba ng 3 probinsya yung ginastos sa zoo, if you think that's then maybe okay yun. No? Pero hindi pa rin kasi hindi ho napapanahon kasi may COVID po tayo. May pandemya. Kailangan po, doon po tayo sa let's respond. Kailangan ng pagkain sa pagkainan, kailangan po ng trabaho. Natutuwa naman po ko sa present administration na they're giving 25,000 new jobs as job orders. But medyo huli na ho, pero better late than never. I don't know if this is a political ploy but I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt and I'm giving them the benefit of the good faith. Let's assume good faith. So, palagay na lang natin na nakakatulong sila sa... And I've been espousing this since October. Let's give more jobs because people need more jobs. We have to stand up on our feet for the COVID response po.